All right, guys, after a long wait, we finally got the Nike Foamposite Pro Pearls. You guys know we originally seen these back in 1997. We seen them on He Got Game, and these joints right here was a must cop for your boy DeVintage. I know I got a special place in my heart for Foamposites, and the Pearls, man, so crazy in hand. We gotta break these things down in today's video. Let's get right into it. What's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into another one. I told you guys I'm gonna be doing more reviews and on feeds over some, releases. Like, I feel like this one right here is definitely one of the ones that people know about. They're like, yo, do I spend the $220, the $250 on these joints, or do I just kind of, hold off on them? Maybe they're gonna sell, maybe not. And I don't know when it comes to these Pearl Foamposites, man. We're gonna break them down, but if you guys are new here to the channel, right now we need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please, man, run them likes up. Every single like counts. It helps the channel grow, and it shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content. If y'all want to see more of these reviews and on feeds, you're definitely gonna have to spam them likes, spam them comments. Let me know how they hitting on feed. And I had a couple people asking me about, like, some pants that I was rocking. I'm gonna try to find some links to most of them, but most of these pants I've had for years, bro. And I just pick them out and throw them on feed. But yeah, man, you guys go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe, and yeah, we're gonna jump into this review over the Nike Pearl Foamposite. All right, guys, so like I said in the intro, we originally got these back in 1997. We seen them on He Got Game, Ray Allen, Denzel Washington. You guys all know the movie. If you don't know what the movie is, go back and watch the movie and then come back and put a couple like pictures up right here. But this one right here is a coveted. This is one of those, staple Foamposite colorways that everybody's been asking for a very, very long time. And with it coming with the swoosh, you guys know the difference between the Pros and this regular Foamposites. The Pros have the huge Nike swoosh. We got like 4 Nike swooshes on these guys. You got the big bold Nike swoosh on the upper of the Foamposite material. You got a Nike swoosh down below near the lower portion of the lacing system. And of course, you do have your Nike swoosh on the heel of these guys. So you got Nike swooshes everywhere. And the thing to put the icing on the cake when it comes to these Foamposites is the outsole. This is a very, very unique outsole, because usually when we get a Foamposite, it's like usually like, a typical translucent blue, translucent off-white colorway. But with this one right here, you do get that translucent vibe to it, but you got your red pods, and you have a huge Nike swoosh. Of course, you got your carbon fiber plate down below. And I've been telling people for years, man, this sneaker is definitely ahead of its time when you talk about, the fit, the overall technology, and the comfortability when it does come to the Foamposite. I know people say they heavy and stuff like that, but when you actually slip these joints on, you got 2 pull tabs to make it just seamless for you to put these joints on. It's a separate like component in this sneaker that just wraps around your feet, which a lot of people do go up a half a size in the Foamposite. So if I had to recommend you guys to do that, hey, I'm definitely right there with y'all. 9.5, even a size 10 for me will do okay, because you got that extra padded material in the inside of this Foamposite. Definitely go half a size up, man. Got your regular black laces in these joints right here. Nothing too fancy when it comes to that. I won't recommend, switching out or anything like that. The black laces is super, super fire. And on the tongue itself, again, you got that pull tab. And on the tongue, you have air right here, as you guys can see, with the piping, the white piping, going all the way down to the toe box of these Foamposites. I typically loose lace my Foamposites, as you guys can see right here. And I have a whole separate dedicated video of how to lace your Foamposites. If you got them choked up, you definitely gonna not feel right when you got them on feet. They're gonna feel very, very tight. They're gonna feel very, very bulky. When you loose lace them, get a little air in there, let them laces spread apart a little bit, and you should be good to go with rocking them just like this, as you guys can see. Hit you guys with one more quick 360 of the Pearl Foamposite. Again, one of my favorite Foamposites ever. Like, I never had them before, but this is, again, one of those coveted ones, one of those ones, a staple colorway, if you ask me, when it comes to the Foamposite silhouette. The all pearl upper, and then a crazy nice Nike swoosh on the side. Just, make these things immaculate, in my opinion, man. So let me know down below in the comment section if you did secure a pair of Pearl Foamposites. I know more, prioritized to a lot of people was the all black or the Black Cat Air Jordan 4s. Let me know if you was like one of the people that was like, yo, should I get these or the black cats. Me personally, I had to get both just because I love wasting money on sneakers. And those two, like, you know, I feel like this was a must grab. I already had the 2020 version of the black cat, so if I took an L on those, I'll be all right. But these right here, man, were mandatory cops for a lot of OG sneakerheads out there and a lot of people that love Penny Hardaway. And just love the movie He Got Game with Denzel Washington and Ray Allen. These joints right here is crazy in my opinion, man. But I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Quick little review over the sneaker. Here's you guys some more B-roll over the Pearl Foamposites. Let me know in the comment section how you're feeling about them. And again, we're gonna go ahead and finish up the on feet. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, run them likes up. Every single like counts. And let me catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.